Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another fantastic unboxing for you. Here we are, a new month, a new box, and it actually arrived very quickly. It arrived on March 10th. Do you remember the times where it arrived on, like the last week of the month? I'm impressed, so let's open it up. Again, you get the monthly wine voucher if you want to use it. Then you have not only one, not only two, you have 4 HelloFresh coupons. Are they all different codes? So they're all the same. If anyone wants to use them. Off to a great start already. Love it. Ooh, something is having. Is that a makeup palette? It's like an eyeshadow palette. In case you haven't seen my Panda palette update, I'll link that here. I told you that I was at, I think, 90 shadows, and I was so excited because I bought 2 new quads. Oh no. How many are in here? 10. I'm already at 100 shadows now, and then I get 8 more. I should have known it. It always happens, every single time. So, we have the little card here. Beauty has no limits. And it has the QR code on the back for, like the magazine, like the pamphlet. The leaflet is not there anymore. The first thing that we have is this. So this is the Emma Hardy Pump and Glow Hydrating Facial Mist. Ooh. Helps to boost hydration and plumps up dehydrated skin and fine lines. Helps to protect the skin against pollution and environmental damage, evens out complexion, and provides a soft, focused, and luminous glow. I'm going to use that right now. Right? That doesn't smell good at all. Or instantly quenching thirsty complexions, this ultra-fine hydrating mist spritz skin with a plumping blend of hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, shielding from environmental aggressors and leaving behind a luminous glow. This mist is cruelty-free and vegan, developed without animal testing and containing no animal products or derived ingredients. The thing is, I always buy setting sprays or facial mists or whatever, so I hope you don't mind my dog growling in the background. I always buy these mists because I see other people use them and they rave about it. I buy it, I use it a couple times, and then I get tired of it and I don't use it. So we will see how long I will actually be able to use this. I think I will use it up, just because I will collect these empties and do a review on them, but it will probably take me a while. I'm not someone, when I'm done with my makeup, I leave the house. I don't put a fixing spray on or whatever, so it will take me a while. The next product that we have here is the Neon Organics Perfect Night Sleep Overnight Facial Cream. That is supposed to hydrate and plump for well-rested skin. This sample, I think it's a sample, I'm not sure, it's already half empty. Like, I can see through the tube. Wake up to your best skin with a magical midnight facial treatment. Packed with potent actives and powerful natural extracts, plump, firm, and restore tight skin whilst you dream deeply. With an expert blend of cica, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid, skin looks and feels well rested for up to 48 hours of moisturization. 48 hours of moisturization! I'm not gonna test that because, I wash my face in the morning and I wash my face at night, so. But hey, I will try it out. This packaging is 100% recyclable and the product uses 100% natural fragrances. No fragrance, can I smell this? It's probably sealed, yes, this. Okay, up next. The Wet n Wild Shadow Palette. I don't think I've ever had any palette or product by Wet n Wild, so it's exciting, but it's very bad. It's so bad for my Panda Palette challenge. It's so bad. Now that I have this, and when my 2 quads arrive, I'll be at 107 or 108 shadows. That is more than I had in over a year. Now, I'm gonna deal with that once a day is here, right? I have that mentality right now, for like the past weeks. I just look from day to day. I don't look into the future. Oh my god, I will have over 100 shadows. Seize the day. Carpe diem, okay? So this is the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. It's like a very small and curated, not Novena palette, what's it called? Modern Renaissance palette. Isn't it? Especially with like this. It looks very vibrant in the camera. It's very muted down, much darker. So you have the 8 normal shades and then you have 2 transition shades. So you have a cool tone and a warm tone. I want to see some swatches of this, and I will also do a swatch video and a palette bingo. Sweet. They even give you a day and night look in the back. Should I try to recreate that? Because it looks kind of easy. But then again, they use a lot of eyeshadows. This is also in the ABH palette. It was one of my favorites. So I will swatch this one. Okay, that's okay. Then the darker one. Not as pigmented as I thought it would be. Then the shimmer. Okay, the shimmer is nice. And then do the warm transition shade. It's very, like, it's just not, like, I can see them in reality, right? Like I said, in camera it looks very vibrant. This looks nice, the brown one. But these just look so, like, bland. You know, like, it's just, yes, there's color, but it's also not that intense. So we'll see how that works out. Wow, it's just, like, these two especially, the most vibrant color in the palette. It's just not that nice. Yeah, so I will try them out. I will do a how does on them in 2 years probably, because I go by age, you know, of when I got the palette. But so rosé. The thing is, I would say it in French, rosé in the air, featuring 10 coveted shades of buttersoft pigment. This eyeshadow palette mixes sultry shimmers and smooth mattes that blend together effortlessly to take your look from day to night. All Wet n Wild products are 100% cruelty-free, meaning this palette was developed without animal testing. You should have told me that in the first place. I mean, I'm still not super excited about this, but now that I know it's cruelty-free, my excitement went up by 10%, maybe. But yeah, thing is, I don't, you know me, right? If you follow me for a while, I'm not someone who uses like a transition shade and then an outer corner and then a lid color, blah blah. I feel like these could have also been normal shadows or just like this. I will not use them as a transition shade. I will just use them all over the lid maybe, or to deepen up. It's not really dark enough, but you know, I would have been happy with this. We'll see how they work. Every time I buy something, I get it in a LookFantastic box. Up next, we have the Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. Apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hair. Sell as usual. This is just a sample. This is not meant for sale. And I got it in a LookFantastic box, which I paid for. I heard a lot about this brand. Oh, that smells good. It smells a bit like the NYX oil. I think I had this before, like a shampoo and conditioner. Do they have that? I'm not really sure. I'm excited to try that out because my ends are not looking the way they should look, let's just say that. This award-winning multi-purpose treatment can be used on wet or dry hair. Infused with argan oil, the lightweight formula helps to replenish dry hair and boost shine. Or you can use it from mid-lengths all the way down, so it's not weighing down your hair and it's not making it look greasy, hopefully. Moroccan oil has partnered with ocean conservation organization Oceana, pledging ongoing donations to fund their mission to protect seas. You know, I told you last month that LookFantastic is trying to become a bit more eco-friendly, and this is what they're trying to do. I see something. This should not be in a LookFantastic box. I don't think I can use this. So up next is the Physicians Formula Rosé All Day. Okay, Rosé in the air. They have a theme here. Petal Glow Highlighter. Multi-use highlighter for skin perfecting glow. Can you see the problem here? I'm very, like, my complexion is very light, right? This does not look like I could use it as a highlighter. If I could get it out of the packaging. It smells so good. Oh my god. Please, like, if you are from Germany or you speak German or are in for any of the countries around Germany, do you know Diddle? This mouse here, do you know that? It was very big, right? People used to collect any and everything from papers, you know, like sheets of paper, to, I don't know, like erasers and little figurines and paper bags and mugs and plushies and whatnot. They used to have paper that you could rub and it would smell. It's like that's special magical smelling paper, whatever. It smells exactly like this. Exactly like this. So nice. So it looks like this. It's a beautiful rose. And then it also has a mirror and a little brush with it. Like I said, can you see what the problem is here? This is a highlighter. I will not use this. I will put it back into the box and then give it away to someone. It's just too dark for me. And before I go in and use it as a highlighter in the inner corner or as an eyeshadow, I would not use it and would rather give it to someone who can actually use it. Packed with pearlescent pigment, this multitasking highlighter instantly illuminates the skin and eyes with its brightening Kakadu Plum and Calming Rose Water Blend. Wow, that was difficult. In partnership with EarthDay.org, physicians formula support the environmental movement's mission to end plastic pollution and act on climate change. Oh, they have 3 shade variations, and I get the petal pink one. I should also tell you how much it is. So this is $14.99. This is a deluxe size. Then this one is 5 pounds. The Wet n Wild palette is £6.99 as usual. Then 12 pounds and $13.99, and they're all deluxe sizes. Oh no, it's the full size. So is this not the full size? I'm very confused. Is this not like what I never had physicians format? Wait, oh, did I? Maybe from TK Maxx 10 years ago. Is this not the full size that you walk into the store and you buy this? It's gluten-free and dermatologically tested and clinically tested. Okay, so this is one of 3 products that you could get. So you either get the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, or you get like invisible hair ties, like the plastic ones, or you get the First Aid Beauty smoothing body lotion. And I have this. So I heard a lot about this brand. I never tried it. I don't know what it smells like, what it's supposed to do, no idea. Moisturizing lotion for normal to dry, sensitive skin. Instantly soothes and protects skin from dryness for 48 hours. Let's smell this. That doesn't smell like anything at all. Like literally nothing. Okay, so I will definitely try that one out and then let you know what I think about it. Developed for dry and sensitive skin types, this lightweight, non-greasy formula hydrates from top to toe with its replenishing blend of vitamin E and provitamin B5. This is a deluxe size and this $122. Since 2010, Cetaphil has minimized its environmental impact by reducing factory CO2 emissions by 65% and using 95% renewable energy. You have one additional product in here, and that's the one where I said, if this is actually one of the products that they sent out, a perfume sample. Imagine this would have been like an actual official item in the box. I would have screamed. So this Black Opium by YSL. I actually had the full size before. I cannot tell you what the notes are because I don't think it says it, but like blackberry maybe? Does anyone remember the Lady Gaga perfume? Does anyone remember that? It smells like this. Oh my god, Lady Gaga perfume was really good. Like that was for the longest time my go-to perfume. So that was everything that was in the box. So this I will get rid of. And I will show you what I'm very excited about. This I'm excited to try out. This I'm also excited to try out because it's brands that I've heard a lot before, but I didn't use. I should be excited about this, but I'm not. Like I said, it's like a small version of the Modern Renaissance. I think even this shade was in the Modern Renaissance. Wasn't this like golden ochre or something? This one. What is this shade called? Buon Fresco. This one. I remember that was my favorite shade in the palette and I kept it for last because I really wanted to use it and really enjoyed it. The other shades were okay too, right? But the Buon Fresco one. Amazing. Spring Clean, so all clean beauty products. Oh, they even tell you how to use the products. Okay. So the beauty team apparently wants to go waterless for 2023. Waterless products. Okay. Meet the founder of Neon. Is this? So we have an interview with the founder. Upcycle your LookFantastic box. 3 ways to upcycle the box. I just use them to send out things, to friends, family. If I sell something, I give my box to someone else so they can live with it. Then what's coming up? Oh, wait, I had that one. Was it in the Sephora box or was it in the LookFantastic box? The Boom Boom, the Brazilian Boom Boom, I think you said, cream by Sol de Janeiro. It's coming up next month. Okay, so let me give you the empties. It's not a lot this month, but you can always have a lot of empties. So this I actually used. I told you that I will not film any mask videos anymore because most of the time you don't see a difference. So I used the Beauty Pro Pink Clay Sheet Mask with vitamin E, calamine, and white mulberry. So it came in 2 parts, right? First one here, and then the other one had to go over your chin and over your cheeks. And it was literally clay, right? And the longer you let it on, and the longer you left it on, the tighter and hotter it got. I had it on for like an hour. Yeah, leave on for 40-60 minutes. I had it on for an hour. I could literally just peel it off like one of those nose strips. Oh, so satisfying. And it really cooled down my face. Very refreshing. My skin felt super soft. So I enjoyed this. I don't think I've had any bad Beauty Pro mask. I did not only use up one toner, I used up two toners. So this is funny. This I started using on my Paris vacation, and this I started using on my Berlin vacation. So the Element Soothing Apricot Toner and the Pixie Vitamin C Toner. I like both of them. They didn't hurt, they didn't sting. I cannot tell you too much about it. I didn't have any breakouts. It was fun to use. I used them with a cotton pad. All of the eyes. Wow. All of the face, not in the eyes. Do not do that. And then by the end, I just used my hands because, you know, it's easy for me to control how much I put in. Because the cotton pad, I feel like it just soaks up so much product. And if I use my hands, I just put a bit in, go over my face, tap it in, literally slap myself in the face, and then use it up like that. So they're both gone. I enjoyed both of them. I don't know if I would purchase them per se. If I get them in another box, yes, I will use them. Would I actually go out and purchase it? Probably not. But that's also because I'm lazy. Something I use up in 2 goes. The Style Dry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask with coconut oil and muru butter. It smells very clean and fresh. Unlike coconut, like summer vacation. I only use conditioner or any mask ear down because my scalp gets very greasy. I washed it yesterday. Look at this. Yeah, I use it in 2 goes. I cannot tell too much about it. It made my hair soft, easy to detangle. And then last but not least, this is a hit and miss, both at the same time. This is the I can read. Lumen Nordic Hydra Oxygen Recovery 72-hour Hydra Gel Mask. So it's a very thick gel, literally like a jelly. You put it on in a thin layer. You leave it on for 15 minutes and then wipe off. At first, it feels very cooling and nourishing, but then at a certain point it started to hurt a little, right here, around my mouth. It felt like a burning sensation, but then as soon as that stopped, it was okay again. So maybe I'm just allergic to something, or maybe this area of my face is not reacting well to it. I don't know what it is. It was okay. I will not purchase it. You know, at the end I just slapped it on, not in a thin layer, but in a thick layer. And that's it. That's all the empties that I have. What do we think about the setting spray? Is it give me a glow? Maybe. I didn't put any highlight on, so maybe. What? Let me know if you have any of these products here. How am I supposed to put all of them? Any of these? Cannot believe how good this smells. Even the packaging. Oh, it really reminds me of those sheets of paper. Like, I will put a picture here. This is what it looks like. And then you had certain areas that you could rub with your finger and it would actually smell. Like this. Exactly like this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. And I'll see you next one.